Lisa is in court to claim £870 for the amount owed on loans she made to her former partner. Defendant Leanne says the money was a gift, and so therefore she owes nothing.
Now, this is more interesting. There's £100, the next part of your claim. What's that for?
It was a CCTV camera.
Why did you need a CCTV camera?
Because I was getting harassment from a neighbour, and Lisa said that she would help out with a camera.
Now, that's, I suspect, what happened.
I didn't actually say I would pay for it. Again, I said that I would loan it to her.
Leanne's made no attempt to pay back the debt, which you say you loaned her at Christmas, and yet 2 months later you extend her another £100 worth of credit, right?
Yes.
Why would you do that if she hasn't paid back the first amount?
I was still waiting for her to sort her money out at the time.
Part 3, £600. Tell me about the rent. Why were you in rent arrears, Leanne?
Because when I first moved into the flat I was in, I didn't know I had to pay a service charge.
What do you mean you didn't know? Just pause. You mean it was like a little lovely surprise, a secret? You got in, you signed a document including the rent agreement, and then...
Me and my sister, we did a mutual exchange, and I didn't read the other bit, so I didn't know about it, and then I forgot to pay it for a year.
Leanne, who do you think you're talking to? When you say you forgot to pay, I suspect you thought, well, the flat's not very well kept, so I'm not paying this service charge.
Yes.
Took one question, Leanne. What were you trying to do? You understand? I can smell a lie like a fart in a service charge lift. Why did you try and get that one past me, Leanne?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you think you would? You thought you might?
Yeah.
What in your mind, if I'm going to lie to Judge Rinder, just to see how it goes? Why not?
Yes.
How did it go for you?
Not very well.
Now, the point is she got into rent arrears. She tells me, on the face of it, that was because of something that she had not known about. Rubbish. Of course she knew. She willfully got into rent arrears. Why do you step in, Lisa?
Basically, she said about me loaning her the money so she could pay off her rent arrears so that she'd be able to move, and she was on about me moving in with her at the time.
I see. So that was a discussion about you moving in. Now, did you give over the £600?
I did, yes.
I've seen evidence about that. Now, what did you say about that money when you handed it over?
Again, it was a loan.
Do you remember her saying that?
No. She asked me if I could lend her the money to pay off her rent arrears.
I believe you. I absolutely believe you. I'm sure that's what happened. You've got nothing in writing.
No.
When did you expect her to give the £600 back? What happened if you moved in with each other?
Then it would have been kind of taken care of anyway, because we would have been sharing responsibility.
Absolutely. I absolutely believe that. Now, this woman has given you £600 for your rent. You told me, now, this may have been another porky. You told me that you were honest, loyal and trustworthy. Why haven't you given her the £600 back?
Because I didn't ask her for £600.
Is that honest?
Yes.
Well, she gave it to you.
Yes, she put it into my bank. I didn't even know.
You just thought, voila, here's a woman who doesn't have a job. And you thought, good Lord, she just has £600 to give me. Aren't I a lucky thing?
No,
I didn't
know.
What a lovely gift. All these people giving me wonderful gifts of £600. There's Lisa. What did you spend the money on, by the way, the £600?
Most of it, £400 was for my rent arrears, and then Lisa said, whatever's left, you could just spend on yourself.
I have no idea
Is that
what...
the first time you've heard that that money wasn't used for rent arrears, by the way?
Yes.
What do you feel about that now?
I'm not impressed.
Not impressed?
No.
It's one way of putting it. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.